I'm not an immigration expert. I know agriculture pretty well, and like I said, I'm the Libertarian candidate for running for Commissioner of Agriculture here in 2010. I didn't write a speech about statistics or the great things that I will do as Commissioner of Agriculture. What I wanted to talk about is the good things that immigrants have brought to this country through the years and why we as libertarians support more open immigration, a better guest worker program, and more individual rights for both immigrants and Americans. In the debate over immigration, we should remember that every immigrant is an individual with individual hopes and dreams for a better life, with individual reasons for becoming an immigrant, just as every American's ancestors chose to begin life in a new land. As a libertarian, I support the rule of law, but when millions of people choose to ignore a law and take the steps to cross a desert border and run the risks of starting over in another country, you must begin to wonder whether that law is relevant in today's economy. Someone's noted that 40 to 50% of agricultural workers in Georgia are undocumented aliens, and I don't dispute that. I think it may even be more. This country produces millions of low-skilled and low-paid jobs that our citizens just are reluctant to fill, while immigrants from around the world flock to our shores to fill the American dream. Immigration built this country and enriches all Americans with new skills and new peoples and new talents. In response to a temporary economic shutdown, some of us are calling for an end to this influx of new workers to protect our way of life. Others propose to subject all Americans to reductions in our freedom to move around the country. They want to institute a national ID card or give power to the police to stop peaceable people simply suspected of being the wrong color ethnicity. This is wrong. When you allow people to move across borders with the most basic registration and legal impediments, this doesn't threaten our republic. It makes it stronger. We gain when the most motivated and talented people come to America, just as we did in 1820 or 1890 or 1920. A reasonable guest worker program will bring these people to our shores, and these are the exact type of people we need to carry freedom into this new century. For those who are already here, the choice is not amnesty or continued illegality. We can bring these people into the mainstream, proper registration, paying their back taxes, and the probation for the misdemeanor crime of crossing a border. They can be required to move to the back of the line for permanent citizenship, yet continue to contribute to our economy. In retrospect, immigration is not the only area of misguided laws that we've contributed to this problem. Our vicious and wrong-headed war on drugs has brought violence and death to our southern neighbors and added significantly to this problem. In agriculture, which is what I'm running for, our subsidy to corporate farms has driven millions of small farmers off their land and made them desperate to come here. So when we debate the impact of illegal immigration on agriculture in Georgia, we need to remember that our goal should be to enhance the prosperity of all Georgians, not to punish individuals for seeking a better life. Not one person here would fail to seek the same dream our forefathers envisioned in America. So let's rise to the basic, our most noble ideals, and not sink to the gutter of our basest instincts. Thank you.